back outside, picked up some Fiocchi ammo, 9mm, and they changed their boxes since the little went through. So I'm going to show you that at the house. I got the scooter started. Took me 3 kicks on the Kickstarter. It don't want to start with the electric start because I don't think it's fully charged. But you know what? I got it started. I can get home. Let's get on here. I think I'm going to have to clean my little bug shield here that goes across my face because it's kind of foggy. And it's not even Friday. It's Sunday. That was a bad joke, wasn't it? All right, Gate City Bank across the way. Open this up. That traffic there go. This thing don't take off all that fast. Yay! Tempted to take this thing for a little longer ride than just back and forth to the gun shop. Okay, how about that? I really don't like riding on the main drag with this thing. It don't get up to speed like it should. Got this thing full throttle and well, I'm doing 30. Well, I'll be dead. I got somebody on my tail. There we go. Yeah. Speed through here.